Oh, there's two of this truck, right?
Yeah.
I built this for a reason. I rebuilt this truck because I sold it on my new phone. The reason why I got a new phone? Oh, my brother got a new phone for Christmas after he destroyed a phone and my sister's tablet. Anyway, on with the video. I know, Olivia Maverick did.
I put stickers on the back. Okay, Kimmy. Kimmy said I can have my Kim. Can you come and record me?
They're both diesel. On my new phone, I have all 13 barn finds on Off-Road Outlaws.
How you driving your other truck on other truck? How are you driving that truck without driving that truck? You want to come record me? Because I'm on my trailer.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Anyway,
Can you make another one where they could see me?
Have fun and always enjoy these videos. Bye.
Yay.